I call it Postcards from the Future. Now, I want you to imagine receiving a postcard from your future self, 5, 10, 20 years from now. What would it say? Using simple AI image and video generation tools, you can create pictures or short animations of the life you hope to live. Try this with your clients. Get clear on where they might live, how they spend their time, what freedom or security looks like to them. Because when people can see their future more clearly, decisions become real and your guidance becomes all the more meaningful. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you're working with a client who's building her career and starting to think more seriously about the future she wants to create. And like many clients, she doesn't just have a number in mind, she has a lifestyle in mind. She's thinking about the milestones that she wants to reach and what it will take financially to make that future tangible. So let's say that one symbol of that future is a specific dream car. Now, the car here is not the point. It's a doorway into a deeper planning conversation about the lifestyle that she aspires to and the financial roadmap that will help her get there. So your guidance connects the emotional future to the financial plan and the decisions she needs to make today. So we can take an image of this woman and an image of the car and create a postcard from her future self. And just a quick note, when you try this with a client, ask permission before using their likeness or any personal photo. You've already worked so hard to build trust with your clients, so this needs to be done in a way that respects and strengthens the relationship. Now, we upload both images to Nano Banana, Google's AI image generator, and we ask it to show us this woman's life with this car. Driving somewhere beautiful, feeling confident, free, and at ease. Now, we're looking for a realistic scene that makes the goal feel more concrete, so she can see it clearly, and we can talk about what it would take to get there. We hit submit, and this is the output. We can then upload that still image to video generator tools like Midjourney to animate it, and now we have this client living her best future life, happily driving her dream car. And we can extend this into a full story, where she goes, how she feels, who she becomes. But we're not done yet. These are still 2D images and animations. Imagine taking this one step further, where these postcards from the future become 3D worlds. And the good news is, you don't have to become a 3D designer. This is Marble from World Labs. You can create immersive worlds the same way you already use AI today, with an image or a text prompt, and the AI builds that 3D world for you. You can move through this world and explore it from different perspectives. And here's another exciting part. You can even step inside that world and explore it in virtual reality. So to create that immersive world in virtual reality, I like to use a panorama, but you can also use a text prompt or a regular photo. You can even take a photo and ask AI to generate a panorama for you. That's what I did. I used Nano Banana to create panoramas from the same image I used earlier. We then upload that panorama to Marble, we hit create, and a 3D world emerges. But we're still on a 2D desktop and a 2D screen on a computer. So we're going to go the extra mile, and we're going to step into this world with virtual reality. Now, you can do this on devices like Apple Vision Pro, and what you're seeing is my view from inside the headset. So I'm not on a flat screen anymore. I'm inside this world, moving my head around in 360. And you could even add the sound of waves and birds to make an even more immersive environment. And this world will change from client to client. For one person, it may be driving along a California coastline. For another, it may be retiring with confidence. But the deeper question stays the same. What future are we actually planning for? And that's the power of Postcards from the Future. They make the future visible enough to talk about. And your role is to help clients understand the path between here and there. The real return your clients are looking for is becoming the person and living the life they aspire to. So as we look ahead to the after next and beyond, AI and immersive worlds will continue to evolve, and they'll help us see and feel possible futures more clearly than ever before. And even in a world where the future becomes visible, one thing does not change. Technology can show us possibilities, but people still need someone they trust to help them make sense of those possibilities, and that's the role you play. Because the real measure of progress here isn't what technology can do, but what it enables us to become. The future of reality is you. Thank you. Thank you.